Simone, back with it, you feel me? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning into my video today. I mean, you probably saw the box, but I have an initial review for you guys today. Okay, so let me explain. So I went out of town this past weekend. It doesn't really matter because you're not gonna know. Anyways, I went out of town, and so I needed a wig to wear, and I bought two. Well, one's a closure wig, the other one basically a full wig because it has bangs. It's this wig that I have on my head right now, so it's not exactly an initial review, but we have two wigs. Oh, sorry. We have two wigs from iSEE hair, so I'm going to review this wig, and this is an initial review because, I mean, I haven't worn it yet. I had to put some on my head, so I'm sorry, you guys. And so I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this wig on my head. Let me tell y'all because I saved the packaging it came in because I like what iSEE hair is doing, like the different hair types. This is supposed to be Indian hair, and it was like a 250 density, like 14-inch bob, a 4x4 closure. Never had Indian hair. A lot of times I can't even really tell the difference between like Indian hair or like Malaysian, Peruvian, Brazilian. To be honest, I think I would just have to get more accustomed to wearing weave, more hair, you know what I'm saying? So in order to tell the difference, but I will say, I think that this Indian hair is like more fine than like Brazilian or Malaysian. That's what I'm thinking. This is what I'm hypothesizing based on my limited experience because I've only been wearing this wig a week, and I will say I like it. This is a really cute like everyday wig. It is straight. It is not curly. I think I already said that, but I was just trying to see if it was gonna hold a curl. I just did that look. I am not by any means professional. Look, I can hardly style my wig. That's why I'm gonna work on that more on my channel. But I like the way the curls look. I'm not really sure how they're gonna hold. They're looking like, I mean, they'll hold enough so that the wig doesn't fall flat. I'm going to insert a picture of how the wig looks when it's straight because it's really cute when it's straight because it's like that cute little slick down. It's thick, and I like the fact that I got 250 density because something about just straight hair 250 density is just, it's like almost a necessity because you just know how when stuff is laying straight, it just doesn't have as much volume. It looks very voluminous right now because I have curls in it. Not saying that it's not voluminous when it's straight, but it's more like a natural volume, like if I were to get my natural hair flat ironed, kind of, because you know when your hair is natural and flat iron, it's still kind of kinky, more kinky than the Indian hair. That's the direction we're going when you want to think about how this hair looks when it's just straight. It's just cute. Like, I mean, you can tell now that it's curly. I just threw the wig over there, like I don't need it because it has combs, because I don't want it to be too long because it is like, because I want y'all to watch the whole like initial review for this wig too. You're like, okay, get to the other wig now, but doesn't shed much. I'm liking it. I really don't have anything bad. The hair is super soft, super shiny. A really nice luster, a cute little natural looking luster. I need some wigs that are everyday wigs, and so that is why I ordered these two wigs from iSEE hair. That's pretty much all I have to say about this wig. Quick little inserted bonus clip. I just got done working out in this wig. And I usually, if I curl my hair, I think the jaw clips, they work pretty good in maintaining your curls if you don't want them swinging everywhere when you're working out and stuff. So if you catch my drift. Just kidding. Oh, but all right. So still got body. I mean, straight hair, you can only, I feel like you can only expect it to hold so much curl as compared to body wave. And so I'm probably just gonna put some flexi rods in it now. Nothing but like 5, 6, 7 maybe, just enough to like keep the curls informed so that the hair just won't be straight and it has some body or whatever when I go to work tomorrow. But yeah, I just wanted to insert this clip because I thought it might be helpful in the initial-ish review so y'all can know after I got done working out. I am not disappointed in the way this hair holds curl. I'm satisfied. So let's get into this other hair so it can actually be kind of unboxing. I said this iSEE hair. They're all saying the Princess series. I don't know if these are, I don't know. The other wig also came with elastic bands, so I have 2 elastic bands in here. Another card on how you're supposed to take care of your hair. It's always the same card, and it just tells you based on if you have curly hair or if you have straight hair. I have straight, so yeah. Wig cap, super light wig cap, I don't know. But you can always put makeup on it. It came with lashes. The other one also came with lashes. I already wore them and like got rid of them. Oh, so they both came with wig caps. I didn't show y'all the inside of the box when I did my other review, which you should definitely check out as well. My other initial review for iSEE hair. But it's really cute. It has like their social handles and everything. And the inside of the box is really cute. I tore this apart like this because a lot of times I be too lazy to take that little sticker off or whatever. It's because they have a cute little message in the box. So this is supposed to be just a regular like bob. It's like I said, it was 14 inches. This is a bob, has a bang on it. This hair is Malaysian. It's Malaysian hair. And this one, I got it 180. I thought I had got it 150, but I actually got it 180. Just because I didn't want it to be too thick in the bang and like, I don't know. I still wanted it to be thick, so that's probably why I didn't get 250. But I thought I got it 150. But it's okay, 180 should still be okay. Just took off the net, little lunch lady net. I heard somebody call it that. Came with this. Keep the shape. Yeah, these bangs look like, actually, they don't look like they're gonna be that thick. They don't look like they're gonna be too thick. So, this is a 10-inch bob. It looks cute. I'm actually excited. Now that I know that this wig will actually hold a curl, like, I'm actually liking it. Sorry, I got me over there. Yeah. Back to this wig. So yeah, this looks pretty good. I might have to thin it out a little bit. And who knows if it'll be like too long because I don't have that much forehead space. It kind of looks like I do on camera, but I really have like a 3 head. Most of the time when I get bang wigs, they're going to be below my eyebrows. So I feel like this won't be no different. The hair is really soft. We're not getting any, oh, one strand. One strand. Another strand. But not for real. It, like I said, it's 10 inches. Is this also straight? It's very soft. This is what the inside looks like because we do not have like any lace or anything. We have a couple combs right here. Comb in the back. Some elastic band to tighten her. I think this is going to be really cute. Obviously I'm not going to try it on right now because I just styled my hair, so but I would definitely be wearing her in another video, so like stay tuned for more videos. This is not over though, so that was not an outro. So but very close because I really don't know what else to say about this wig. Because I already talked about this wig and then I talked about this one. I mean, I don't think it had much shedding. I've combed, like I brushed it and I put heat to it a few different times, and I put some heat protectant on. The first time when I was out of town, I didn't have any heat protectant, but when I got back home, I did put heat protectant on it. So I have flat ironed it straight a few times and it still like bounced back, and it's holding these curls so cute. Like I'm really liking these curls, like because at first when I did that first curl, because I'm not that good at styling, y'all, that's something I really do want to work on my channel. And when I did that first curl, I was like, bro, should I even waste my time doing this? But I was just like, I'm actually glad I did because I'm really liking how I'm looking on camera.
Yeah, but go play with her. She ain't not want to do. Let me chill out, relax.
This is a wig review. Oh, I mean, I definitely told a story right here because in total I spent $154.23 because the 14-inch bob, $85.39, And
more
the bob with
everyday
bangs
wigs.
was
So I
$74.84.
hope that you found this
my
wig
bad.
review helpful. I really like iSEE hair. If you like my videos, you found this wig review entertaining, helpful, informative, make sure you check out more videos on my channel because I have a few different wig reviews and I have some other little something that's on my channel too. Like, so if you like my videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more because thank you guys.